Okay, here's my latest steam engine. That's a double cylinder steam engine, forward and reverse, 3-inch bore, 3.5-inch stroke. And I'll turn on the steam valve. There's forward and reverse on it. With one hand I'll try to reverse it. So you don't need to stop the steam to put it in reverse if you want to. Just pull up the lever. Running off this boiler I built. Sorry about the bucket there. It's running on coal right now. A little bouncy on my lifting table here, but once it's solidly built into something, it'll be solid. Antique oiler comes with it. Blow down valves here on the top and on the bottom cylinders. Inch flywheel, antique flywheel that I got. Let's see, so it's the engine only, it's not the hoses and not the boiler, of course. Just the engine. Nice little antique oilers here. So I'll shift it one more time. Just right there. Is real important because right in there, right on top of that's the one, the eccentric that's activated right now, and the other one's kind of in neutral, floating. And shift it the other way, and the other one's activated, that makes it go the other direction. They're timed 180 degrees from each other. And I'm running coal. Big chunks of coal in the boiler right now. Keep up with the amount of steam that's using. This has a really nice blower on this. When you put in new wood or coal, you just turn that blower valve on. Although it doesn't need it right now. Things are hot. That's about it.